Alright guys, today I'm doing another Instant Pot recipe. I have some corn, some pinto beans right here, and we're going to make a chili with some onions, ground turkey, and some kale. I'm going to add some seasoning, fennel seeds, some dill. All those things are going to go in. We're going to saute the onion first in the Instant Pot with the saute function, add some water to it, and then you're going to add the ground turkey afterwards. And then we're going to add the beans, and then we're going to add the kale, and it's all going to boil down, and then you hit the stew button. That's all you have to do, guys, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you all those steps. Alright guys, so I got the onions and avocado oil. I seasoned it with some garlic, salt, and pepper. We're going to hit the saute function, and then we're going to wait until this browns, and then put the ground turkey in. And then we'll cook that up, and then put in the beans, carrots, and the kale, and all those things to go in there. Okay? Be right back. Alright, so it's all done. I put in cumin in there. I put lots of cumin actually, and then that's why it's a little browned. And then some dill. I'm gonna put the kale in there, and then we're gonna put the beans, and then the corn, and then we're gonna cook it up with the chili bun. So stay tuned, guys. Almost done. Guys, so I got my kale all chopped up, so I'm gonna cook it down, and then we're gonna put in the corn and the beans, and then we're gonna hit that button right there. There is a chili button right there, where my finger is. So we're gonna push that. So stay tuned. Alright, so I have the beans in there now and the corn. Now I'm just waiting for it to cook up a bit, and then we're going to hit the button. Alright guys, stay tuned for the final results. Alright guys, so it's all ready to be closed now. And let's push the button. This is for the chili. Okay, I'll be back. Alright guys, so here's the stew and chili all done up. I did a quick taste test already. It's actually quite good. Yeah, it's got a lot of flavor from the herbs and the cumin that was in there. So if you have any questions, comments, guys, post them below and subscribe to the channel.